In this video, I'm going to select and map ARW properties within a watershed. So first I'm going to display the HUC12 watersheds layer. We have HUC10 watersheds as well. Those are the HUC10s. Those are quite a bit bigger. So HUC12s might be a better scale for mapping ARWs or ARW properties. Now then, I'm going to zoom in and just going to pick out one of these HUC12 watersheds randomly. We'll go over to the Select Features pane and click on Select HUC12 Watershed. Click on the pin and let's select the Mud Creek Crawfish River HUC12. So I add the pin to that HUC12 watershed, hit apply. There, now it created a layer up here in the layer list for that watershed. So now if I want to map features within that HUC12, I'll go down to the lower pane. I could map ARWs, I could map PRWs, ARW properties, or PRW properties. For this exercise, we're going to map ARW properties. Okay. Intersect is the only spatial relationship, so we just leave that alone. It's very important to pick the related layer. In this case, it's the HUC12 watershed we just created a layer for. All right. We're going to turn off that buffer around the watershed. We could give it a layer name, Mud Creek ARW properties. Notice I neglected to give the HUC12 watershed a layer name. I could have done that. Okay, now I'm going to hit apply. There. All the properties that contain ARWs are mapped. I could always turn on the ARWs to see those ARWs within the properties I just mapped. The results are displayed here on the right-hand side of the lower pane. And as you know, the ARW properties contain owner names as well as owner mailing addresses. And what that enables us to do is actually exporting a CSV file that contains all of those owner addresses in case we wanted to do a mailing to all of the landowners in a sub-watershed that have ARWs on their property in the event that we were promoting a wetland restoration program of some kind to the landowners. So we can click Export CSV and it will download that file to my computer. So this is the way we select and map ARW properties by HUC12 watershed and how we generate a mailing list for landowners in that area. Thank you.